What's up, everybody? It's Johnny, and I'm back today to talk about unemployment and the Form 1099-G. If you received unemployment this year, and if you plan on filing taxes, then you need to know what a Form 1099-G is. Once again, I'm going to keep everything clear, concise, and easy to follow. In today's video, I'm going to do the following. In part 1, I'm going to show you the form, what it looks like, and give a quick overview of what it's all about. In part 2, I'm going to let you know when to expect the form. And in part 3, I'm going to explain what to do with the form once you have it. Before I dive into this, I want to thank everyone that has subscribed. If you have not yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button right now so you do not miss out on any important information. Alright everyone, here we go. Let's get into part 1. Here is a picture of the Form 1099-G. For today's video, we are going to focus on those who received unemployment compensation. We will be looking at box 1 and box 4. So, who creates and who sends out this form? Typically, federal, state, and local governments issue or send a Form 1099-G when they pay someone unemployment compensation, state or local income tax refunds, taxable grants, agricultural payments, and more. The most common reasons people receive a Form 1099-G is due to unemployment benefits and state and local tax refunds. Again, today's video is focused solely on unemployment benefits. If you receive more than $10 in unemployment benefits during the year, which many people did in 2020, you will receive a Form 1099-G from the government agency that paid you those benefits. You do not have to do anything to get this form. If someone or something requests personal information from you in exchange for this form, it may be a scam. Please be careful. This form should be sent to you automatically. Okay, let's go back to the form. Unemployment income is generally taxable income. So box 1 of the Form 1099-G will show you the amount of unemployment you received. Box 4 of the form will show you the amount of taxes you chose to withhold from your unemployment income. The information in the boxes on Form 1099-G are very important and are needed to file your taxes. At this point in the video, we now have a solid base knowledge of what's going on. You've seen a Form 1099-G, and you have an idea of why you should get one if you received unemployment and who you should get it from. I know that everyone wants to file their taxes as soon as possible this year, especially those who are still waiting for a stimulus check. Just want to make this note, my next video will be about the recovery rebate credit and other tax credits available in the year 2020. So make sure you check that out. Okay, let's continue moving throughout the video and let's get into the second part of the video and talk about when to expect the Form 1099-G. Hopefully, those who should receive a Form 1099-G already have it. If you don't, you should get it soon. You should receive the form by January 31st. If you do not receive your forms in time, make sure you call the unemployment office or the state and local taxing authority. Remember, this year the IRS is not accepting or processing tax returns until February 12th. Alright, I want to do a quick recap of everything that we've talked about so far. At this point in the video, you've seen a Form 1099-G. We've talked about the basics of the form, and the last thing we talked about is when to expect the form. Now, let's finally get into part 3, the last part of the video. Let's talk about what to do with the form after you get it. Once you have the Form 1099-G and you've received all of your other tax documents, it is time to file your taxes. Remember, if you received unemployment income, you need the 1099-G before you file your taxes. Take the Form 1099-G and enter the information from the boxes on the form into your tax return. You want to make sure that you enter all of your taxable income from the year. If you forget to include any income on your tax return, you could end up owing more tax, including penalties and interest. So make sure you have all of your tax documents before you file. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. This wraps up the video for today. As always, stay healthy, stay sane, and I cannot wait to see you all soon.